Hello, everyone. It's come to my attention that not everyone knows how to add a photograph to the classroom stream. So here is a very quick tutorial on how to do that. Now, your exit ticket for tonight is asking you to find a picture that demonstrates the principle of movement. And this is my example right down here. What you're going to do is you're going to scroll to the top of our screen. You're going to type how your picture shows movement. Okay. Then I'm going to go, I was looking at German Shepherds if you couldn't tell. You are going to go to Google and principle of movement art. Okay. You're going to find an image that you feel shows movement. I really like this one. This is a block print by Hakusai. Okay. I'm going to right click, copy image address, add link. There we go. And then you'll post. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me.